Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote engine start. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.